That we're going to make sure the back of the shoulder is supported here on the box. I'm going to kneel down beside him. Right, I'm going to, and you'll always need to get permission for this, especially if you're male working to a female client or female to male. Right, we're going to keep in that pec area here, just right near the armpit. We're going to brace that down, and that's where we're going to be pushing into. I'm going to bring his arm out to the side and just up slightly, and my hand is always going to remain under that wrist. All I'm going to do when I'm pushing into his pec here is just use the weight of my thumb to create that stretch. Because a lot of people are quite tight through the pec area. We don't want to be pushing down too hard here. It can cause a lot of shoulder issues. So we want to make sure that we're being very, very gentle. And same as when they're activating against it, it can cause some shoulder problems as well. So we need to make sure that we're being careful when we're stretching and when we're activating. So now I'm going to push into his pec, push down on the wrist here, and Andy's going to just gently push up into my thumb. And you can see there's not a lot of effort used from both sides here. It's just nice and gentle, and it's always better to start off with less effort and energy here to make sure that we keep the client safe. And just relax that arm, and then you can see that allowed a little bit of a drop. So again, not being too gung-ho about it, we're going to just keep a little pressure on. It's essentially just the weight of my hand resting on his wrist. Is that good pressure?
That's good.
Yep. So again, we always make sure we check in with our clients, make sure they're breathing, make sure they're not under any pain when we're doing any of these. If they are, immediately stop what you're doing and reassess the exercise that you're working with. Now again, I'm going to push into that chest. If you push up into my thumb, that's it. It's only the smallest amount of resistance. And relax. And again, a little bit more of a drop there. Now, same as all the others, we're going to assist the arm back up, bend that in, and just make sure they come back to a resting position where they're not feeling any discomfort.